This nüvi, I think, is really top of the line as far as design goes. I think our goal for 3597 is to redefine the P&D.
We wanted to focus on what separates us from everyone else.
We really had to kind of break the mold of what we had done in the past.
Out of the box, the user's first experience is just, wow, this is cool.
When we started out on the 3597, we wanted to make something that was significantly different. And so automotive styling, since it's an automotive-centric product, seemed like a really good kind of inspiration point.
Design inspiration can be found anywhere. This is something that goes in the car, so we thought we'd look to the automotive industry for inspiration. The lines and forms and cars are very dynamic and exciting, and we wanted to translate that into a nüvi.
The automotive aspect of it was really a key point for us. Just trying to get to a more sculptural form without trying to take away from the display on the front. Well, a unibody design is really about one housing that contains and holds all of the other components. From an assembly standpoint, it actually is quite nice because everything pretty much drops in from the front. And there's no visible screws, which is great from an industrial design standpoint because we always like to have really clean surfaces.
When there's a straight line, there's no movement. But when the lines start to have angles, or when the lines start to curve, it starts to have a movement, it starts to have rhythm or some dynamics.
It really does help us create more of a sculptural form without any sort of unintentional break lines.
This product was different because there was so much metal, and so to get the antennas to work around all this metal was a real challenge. In this design, we actually used the metal case as part of the antenna to help improve the reception, so we've actually seen an improvement compared to previous designs that we've made.
We've been trying to get magnetic mount in the products for years. It's something that we came up with several years ago and got really excited about, but hadn't really had the opportunity until this product.
To use the magnets, it gives it like a wow factor. It makes the mount, less visible, and it gives it kind of a floating appearance. It doesn't look like anything is holding this thing up. You get it close to the mount and it just snaps right in there.
In order to get the strength that we need to hold the unit in the mount securely, the magnets need to be substantially sized, and so we had to place the magnets in the rear case of the unit in such a way that they don't interfere with the electrical components.
The mechanical engineers did a lot of testing on the magnetic mounts.
We had to make sure that it was going to stay on in all kinds of car environments, so we did shock test and vibe test and heated it up. We wanted it to go on, stay on, but when you're done using it, we wanted it to be easy for the user to just pop it right off, and we accomplished that.
We're really excited about the Red Dot Award. It's an international design award, and so it just shows that all the hard work the team put in was recognized.
Red Dot is very focused on the industrial design, the look and feel of the product, but without the collaboration of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and all of the teams trying to make this happen, we would have never won an award for that. And so the credit goes to the whole team.
From the very beginning of this design, we wanted to have a beautiful aesthetic, a beautiful form factor in every way, and we also wanted to provide top-notch performance, and that's the kind of quality that it takes to win a Red Dot Award. And so when we found out that we won, that was awesome because it meant that we had reached our goal, that we had provided something that looked beautiful as well as performed beautifully.